All right, in today's lesson, we are going to rotate about a point. The last lesson that I talked about, we rotated about the origin using our patty paper. Today, we are going to rotate about a specific point. So go ahead and start by graphing your triangle, triangle cat. We have 2, C, 4, 2, A, 1, 3, T. Make sure you use your straight edge to connect your dots. Okay. Then this time this problem states that we are going to rotate 180 degrees, which is going to be 2 turns. So I'm going to go 2 turns. Then we're going to go clockwise, which is this direction. So to the right, about the point -1, -1. Okay, so what you'll need to do next, this is very similar to rotating about the origin, but we're moving the point this time, -1, -1. So you will plot -1, -1 onto your paper. And there you will highlight the up and down through that and the left and right through that. So use your straight edge if needed. Okay, this is just going to give us a nice visual of where to rotate about. All right, now we're going to go ahead and use our patty paper here. As you notice, I'm using the same patty paper as before. We can reuse them. So get your triangle on there, triangle cat. All right, we want to get our point of rotation on there. So just as before, we're going to make sure everything that we drew, our triangle and our point of rotation with our highlighter, that we have on our paper, patty paper. Okay? And then from there, what you're going to do is I recommend you put your pencil here. We're going to go 2 turns to the right. So there's 1, there's 2. Those lines that you drew, you were lining up with the highlighted lines underneath. Line those up, and then you're going to get your points underneath. So T would go down here. So there's T prime. So it's going to be 3, -5. Okay. C is going to be, I'm sorry, it's -3, -5. -4, -2. And then A is going to be -6. I don't have it lined up very well. -4. Okay, so I'm going to go and plot these now. -4, -2. C prime. And then I have A, which is -6, -4, it's A prime, and then T prime I already have on there, so then I connect. You should notice that your object should not change shape. It's rigid, we're just moving it. So you should have primes. I'll make sure we get these in here. There are no rules for these when we rotate about a point a different direction. So go ahead and pause. I want you to try to rotate the next one, triangle BRM. We're going to go 90 degrees, which is 1 turn. We're going to go clockwise direction with about this point. So make sure that point is correct in your paper. So 2, 1 is there. So this is going to be your highlighted line. So go ahead and pause and try that. Okay. Now let's go ahead and check that now that you've gotten it done. So this is what it should look like. Here's your original, your new, and your points. B prime is 0, 6, R prime is 2, 4, and M prime is 4, 5. Okay? And that is how you rotate about a point.